Hello everyone, we are Team Neokarma. We are a group of aspiring engineers passionate about leveraging AI and ML to solve real world vehicular safety challenges. In this video, we are excited to walk you through our project DriveSure. We are the creators of Neokarma and we are from KLU, Andhra Pradesh, India. This is our introduction. DriveSure is a unified vehicle condition monitoring system that leverages machine learning and deep learning to detect potholes, predict the fogging risk, and assess tire health in real time, aimed at improving road safety and enabling predictive maintenance. Road safety remains a pressing issue, especially in areas where low cost or older vehicles lack advanced diagnostics. Hazards like potholes, fog related visibility issues, and undetected tire degradation contribute to countless accidents. Current solutions are often expensive and limited to premium vehicles. Our goal is to build a smart, accessible alternative. Our main objective is to develop an AI powered dashboard that combines fog detection, pothole detection, and tire health monitoring in one unified system. We used machine learning for predictive analytics, computer vision for real time hazard detection, and Streamlit based UI for user friendly interaction. This is our solution architecture overview. DriveSure integrates three core modules: a neural network that predicts windshield fog risk using environmental parameters, a CNN based model that identifies potholes from both images and live video, and a tire degradation predictor that simulates sensor data to advise on tire maintenance. All these are wrapped into a sleek, tab based Streamlit data dashboard offering real time feedback, alerts, and smart suggestions. This includes our sensors that has to be included real time, and this is the input that the user takes, that is the car type, the tire compound, and the driving style. The tire health monitoring model takes these parameters from the user, and the fog detection model takes recirculation status from the user, whereas a pothole detection model doesn't require any user inputs. All these are unified into a vehicle condition dashboard. And this is our pothole detection. All our three models or our solutions are given in the same format, that is the input, the model that we have chosen or the strategy that we have chosen for pothole detection, and the output we obtain, the extra features and the novelty, that is how our solution differs from the others. And for the fog detection too, it follows the same pattern: the inputs, model, the output and the action, and the novelty. And the same goes for the tire wear prediction as well. All of them are combined to a unified dashboard experience. And next up, we have the challenges faced. Like any ambitious project, we faced hurdles. Finding accurate data sets and building realistic simulations was tough. Integrating live video processing with ML interface in real time was another major challenge. Merging three distinct models into a single dashboard required careful state management and efficient UI design. Next up is the technical implementation. Here, mainly we focused on the technologies that we have used. For each and every model, the technologies that we have used, that is the tech stack, is listed out here. For the tire health model, we have the tech stack. For the fog risk prediction, we have the tech stack. And for the pothole detection, we have a tech stack. And the workflow is also designed along with that. That is, first up, we have to take the sensor readings from the environment. And next up, they have to go through scaling and encoding. Next, they have to be fed into a feed-forward neural network for further analysis, and that gives us the output of tire degradation score and smart recommendations. Next up, we have the fog risk prediction, and it also takes sensor readings, which is then fed into a neural net classifier, and later on the fog is detected, and when the fog is detected, it gives the input to the activation of the defog system. And when a defog system is activated, it later on in the later stages, as a part of failure resilience, gives the input for the twin system activation. And finally, the automatic turn off of the system when the fog condition is reduced as well. Next up, we have the pothole detection, and it also goes through a workflow of CNN training, pre-processing and normalization. And when a pothole alert is given, that ends our output. All of them are combined into a dashboard, and the dashboard also has a tech stack as well, and that is a project DriveSure. We can know more about this through the demonstration. And the results and the achievements we have achieved are: we can reduce the fog-related accident probability by 40%, and our model detects the fog with an accuracy of 92%, which showcases its effective performance. As well, the pothole detection model is giving up a 88.63 accuracy with its best validation accuracy at 90%. And the prediction model of our tire wear also had shown a 0.0296 mean square error and 0.0835 mean absolute error, showing best performance. And these are our results that we have achieved. This is our dashboard, and this is a tab view of each and every model. First is the tire health, next is the fog detection, next is a pothole detection. These are the parameters that we have considered, and this is the output that we achieved. The same goes with the fog detection. Since it is a multi-tab view, we get all three models integrated into a single dashboard, and the parameters that we have considered and the kind of result we have obtained. We can know more about this in the demonstration video. And the same goes with the pothole detection, the pothole model that we have gained, and the pothole detected with the confidence class listed. This is our demonstration of the entire project. So this is our dashboard. First up, we have the tire health prediction model. Here we have various parameters listed here. That is, the user selects the car type, tire compound, and a driving style. First up, let's see the car type. And this is the tire compound. Next is the driving style, whether if it is an aggressive or normal. And based on that, the tire wear will be predicted. So as we can see, it predicts the tire wear level and gives the smart suggestions based on various parameters. And this is our logging history, that is the tire health logging history. First up, we have the parameters. Here are the input features which will be collected through car sensors and sent to our model to predict the tire wear level. Below that, we have the log. And next up, we have the fog detection. Here also we have the recirculation status, whether it is an on or off, and based on that we can predict the fog risk. And this is our fog risk result. These are the parameters that we have to be considered: inside temperature, outside temperature, dew point, recirculation status. Let's see when the recirculation status is off. It shows that it is 1 and the fog is detected, therefore it activates the defog system. All these are the stages that go through in the defog system. And in a timely manner, when the relative humidity reaches below 60%, then the defog system turns off automatically. And we have the sensor data that we have to collect, that is the inside temperature, outside temperature, relative humidity, the dew point, and the recirculation status. Next up, we have the pothole detection. Here we have given two options of one, we can upload an image or we can go through a live camera. First up, let's see the uploading an image. So when an image is uploaded, let's say it has a pothole, then our model predicts the result saying that pothole is detected, and the confidence score is the class confidence that it had achieved while detecting so. Next up, let's see with the live camera status. When we start, it gives the access to the dash cam of a car. This is like a video simulation when there is a plain road, and when we just go through a pothole, it explains both the conditions. When a plain road, it shows the plain road is detected and the confidence score, as well as when a pothole is detected, it shows the confidence score as well. Next up, we have the future enhancements, which includes our future plans mostly on how well we can do this project in future with the real-time data and the real-time sensors and so on. Like we want to work on the next phases like geotag potholes using GPS and notifying the local authorities, and simulating the real-time tire sensor inputs, and connecting the vehicle via OPD to or CAN bus for live insights, and expand the dashboard with the backend analytics and cloud updates. Next up is the final slide of this entire presentation, and this is the project plan. The core prototype is already functional, and upcoming goals included refining analytics, integrating the real GPS logging, and enhancing the cloud-based data sync. And we are also working on better UI polish, documentation, and robust testing to finalize our proof of concept. And this ends our quick overview of DriveSure, and thank you.